Everyone, today I'm going to be looking at washers in curries. So let's start off with this one. This one's the AEG. Mummy! Wait a minute. Let me just put it into service mode. It's in service mode. Doors unlocked. Doors swapped. Start. Down to tumbling mode. Down spin. This one's quite shaky. I'll put Peter on the top just to show you. I'll be looking at that one next. I'm going to be looking at some washers in this video. Whoa, look how shaky the Samsung, the LG is. That one's nearly at 1400. That's the detergent drawer. It's a direct drive, so you can't spin it yourself. Anyway, it's at 1400 now. Let's press start again. It goes into fill mode because the water's not attached to it, so I'll skip that part. That one's tumble mode again. That one's drain mode. And then that's the end of it. Yeah, not bad. This one releases the door straight away. But anyway, next washer. Okay, next up is the AEG washing machine. Let's switch it on. Oh, sorry, this one doesn't switch on, unfortunately. This one's another LG, but this one's another AEG, but this one works. Look, turn it on. Options. Got to choose spin only and start. I'll put Peter down. This one works as well. Down's the new one right there. Let me just film a few more washers. I mean, you can wait, can't you? I'm just going to film a few more washers, and then we can go. All right. Come on. I'm not waiting for you all day. This washer doesn't decide on. I'll just leave it. Oh, spinning now. Then it stopped for a minute. Got to do a 1400 spin. 1400 spin's good, but I think 1600's better, Mum. Mum? I think 1600's are better. Look, this one's at 1600. Look. Is the inside of that one? Oh, it's not released. It is an LG. AEG, you know me. I'm going to take a look at the new one as well. This is the new one. Oh, it's starting. Look. This one has the back plate. That one's also an ab wash, by the way. Is it going to spin or not? I think it's doing the anti-crease before it starts spinning. Oh yeah, it's tumbling now, I think. There it is. I'll stand back. This tumble looks a good sign. Nope. I think it's doing the anti-crease before it starts spinning. Maybe it spins that way. Maybe it's an anti-clockwise spinner. I'm not quite sure yet. Nope. Because it's an AEG, it goes that way, I think. We'll see when it spins. I'm not going to make this too long, so that's that one. Here's the Samsung next. Spin. Do a 400 spin, or 800, and start. Start. Right. Put Peter on there. That one's a Bosch. There. I just think the door's not shut properly. That one's a Samsung over there. I'll show that one next, actually. It should spin now. Oh, spin. Oh, right there. I'm just going to stand back and watch it spin. I'm going to watch it a little bit of spin, but not much. Huh? Yeah, it does that, and then it spins. Look, it just did it again. And then it stops. And then it does the distribution again. And then it spins now. That one's a Hoover, by the way. That one's a Hoover. Come on. Oh yeah, look, looks like it's off. It's got 9 minutes to go. See? Down's the Bosch. Oh, Peter's shaking on the top. There we go, that's it spinning. Now. So, next one. Wait for it to stop. Stop. So, this one, nope. That one doesn't work. So there's that one. Does that one work? Nope. This one's a grey one. No, none of these Bosches work. Do not back. No, none of these turn on.
Oh, I might have to work later in the week, so I'll probably get a phone call later today.
No, none of the Bosches work, unfortunately. Turn this one on then. It's got something in it, but
It's got the papers. No, it's got the papers in it. Don't make it twirl. It's got the papers in it. Take the papers out. Are we okay?
yeah, that's okay.
Don't make it twirl. It's got papers in.
No,
Yes, we're fine. Tom likes to come and have a look at the washing machine.
Oh, you come last time, I remember.
Ages,
Yeah, no problem.
That's all right. Are we done?
no, none of these work. So
It's nearly lunchtime, and we've got to. You want to film the later, and then we've got to go to Smith's, haven't we?
but anyway, bye guys.
Oh, bye, girls. Right, that's okay. Have we done all the filming?
Um,
You've not got the people in, have you? Oh,
No.
Don't meet Peter the woman.
Oh, Peter.
Being all lonely, I need
Yes, he is
Oh,
our
sorry,
best friend.
Peter.
There we are.
Sorry,
Okay,
Peter.
cheers. Thank you very much. Thank
Anyway, bye
you. Bye.
bye guys.